With the mild weather, we would like to eat a sweet and tasty dish. We voted for teriyaki chicken. It is grilled in the reduction of soy sauce, sake, and sugar. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the chicken. For that, remove the skin and the bone from the 4 thighs. Slightly cut them so that the marinade and the sauce penetrate during the cooking. Put them in a mixing bowl, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 5 grams of spring onion. Prepare the teriyaki sauce. For that, put in a pan 7 centiliters of sake, 7 centiliters of mirin, 7 centiliters of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, and 70 grams of sugar. Combine. And cook on low heat for 10 minutes. The sauce thickens. Cut the fire. Now we can cook the chicken. Preheat a pan over medium heat. When it's hot, put 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it well. When the oil is hot, put the chicken pieces. Let them grill for 2 minutes. Flip them. And leave another 2 minutes. Then turn on low heat and add 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. From now and for 2 minutes, slightly tilt the pan and sprinkle the chicken with the sauce. Flip them several times. Add the 2 tablespoons of the sauce to continue watering them. Cut the fire. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and the spring onion. You can also cook eggplant slices in teriyaki sauce for 6 minutes. Add another 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. flip them halfway through cooking. Eat the teriyaki chicken with a bowl of chopped rice. To learn how to cook this rice, you can watch my video of green mackerel sushi recipe. Sprinkle the rice with the teriyaki sauce. Put on the chicken, the eggplant slices, sprinkle with sesame powder. Bon appétit!
Merci.
The first step of marinating with cornstarch keeps the chicken fresh tender. The cooking in teriyaki sauce caramelizes the meat and brings flavors and will enjoy everyone. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.